Hello and welcome to my video on how to clean up the icon mess on your desktop and make it look cleaner and more organized. I completely forgot that docking programs existed and they've been around for quite a few years. Quite frankly, I have no clue why Microsoft has not implemented these themes automatically, or at least optionally in their layouts. In my personal opinion, they make your desktop look easier to use and look very professional, aiming toward many businesses, or even someone that has a mild case of OCD or something. Okay, now we are going to look at the software. It's called Rocket Dock. It has been around since June 26, 2008. In September, it had a stable update and never really got too many updates since. It's old, but looks and works great, in my opinion. To get to the site and get it downloaded, go to punklabs.com. It would be the only download link available on their site. Click on it and download it to your system. Once you have it downloaded, go over and click Start, and it should be under your recently added tab. Click on it and it will open up. When it is opened up, I personally like to delete every tab except for the dock settings tab, the recycle bin. Once this is done, if you want to set the tab how you want it, go click on dock settings, then click the general tab. Make sure run at startup is checked. I also check locked items, so somehow one of more of my items don't get changed or deleted. Next, click on the icons tab. I leave mine on average quality. You can put it on whatever you like. I like the opacity dropped all the way down. I just think it looks the best. You want zoom opaque, click, and I like it on 48 for the size. It's perfect for me, but again, you can put it on whatever you'd like. All right, now we should be finished with this tab. Next, you want to click on position. I personally like it on the top. If you want to change it around, you can. You can actually unlock the bottom Windows, Microsoft Windows bar, and you can move it to the side or on top, or anywhere you'd like, and you can move this bottom, left, or right, besides the top. One important thing that you're going to want to do is mark this always on bottom, because if you open your browser, it'll still show up. So you want this to stay on your desktop. Last but not least, you want to click on Style. I prefer blank because it's just regular. It just shows your icons by themselves. It looks the cleanest. If you want, you can put it on whatever you like. I leave this disable icons unchecked, and then I click OK. The first thing I do after that is get rid of the recycling bin on your desktop, because you're no longer going to need that, because you're going to have it on the dock. I'm going to right click, go to Personalize, click on Themes, click on Desktop Icon Settings, and you want to uncheck that under the Desktop Icons tab section. Click Apply, click OK. And now you can drag all your shortcuts to the dock and delete them off the desktop. If you have files folders, for example, you can move them to Documents or another file that works for you, and make shortcuts of those folders and put them in your dock. Eventually, you will have a nice, clean, and organized desktop that will make files a lot easier to find, making it also look aesthetically pleasing at the same time. That should conclude this video. As usual, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.